No, you're not.
So, I have Odyssey Twisted PC. Oh, well, I have a 2012 Verde Prism.
Dude, you're sick.
And then, shut up. I have Odyssey Twisted PC pedals. There's stock cranks, sprocket, and frame, and bottom bracket.
Dope.
And then I have a Mechanic full track half-link chain. I have Shadow Undertaker tan wall tires. An SE Hoodrich back rim.
Oh shit.
And some piece of shit Walmart front rim. And then I have Verde Regent forks. Stock Verde radio bars.
Wow, Verde Regent forks.
Odyssey Aaron Ross keyboard grips.
Sucky.
And bar ends.
Dope.
And a stolen straight toe stem. And stolen headset. The grips suck. So, oh yeah, I have United Stealth. Yeah, Stealth. I did my forks already.
Alright,
penis
I'm
fuck.
quick, so
I
let's
have
go.
United Stealth feet and some like shitty.
It's my seat.